Welcome back to the channel. The most advanced dash cams Vantrue has ever released, the Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360 degrees Wi-Fi dash cam. This powerhouse gives you complete coverage from every angle, front, rear, interior, and its unique 360-degree panoramic camera for blind spot protection. With crystal clear recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, and smart monitoring features, the N5S is built for drivers who want total awareness on the road. For channel 360 degrees full coverage, experience complete 360 degrees protection with our advanced 4-channel dash cam, eliminating blind spots on the road and inside your vehicle. Featuring a powerful dual-core processor, this dashcam records in stunning 2.7K 1080p 1440p resolution. Ultimate 4ch Starvis 2 night vision. All 4 cameras feature cutting-edge Starvis 2 tech, delivering 100% higher low-light performance and 40% greater license plate recognition capacity than other Starvis dash cameras. With advanced HDR/WDR processing, this car camera accurately captures license plate with no glare at 20 miles per hour even in varying lighting environment. Next-gen 2.5K rear camera, featuring a premium IMX675 sensor with HDR processing, our 2.5K rear camera delivers 1.5x sharper footage than standard 1080p systems, providing critical evidence in rear-end collision scenarios. The exclusive rear cabin camera with IMX662 sensor offers enhanced light sensitivity, capturing clear details throughout the trunk, back seat, and side windows. 5 GHz Wi-Fi GPS OTA Upgrade. Experience 4x faster data transfer and superior positioning accuracy with 5 GHz Wi-Fi and dual-system GPS. Our free Vantrue app lets you easily adjust settings, preview/edit videos, share footage online, and track GPS data. 24/7 buffered parking mode. N5S automatically activates parking mode when you turn off the ignition, recording suspicious motion or collisions around your parked vehicle, providing vital evidence for vandalism, scratches, or break-ins. The Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360 degrees dash cam, a truly all-around solution for complete driving protection. Our exclusive 10-second pre-recording buffered motion detection ensures complete event capture. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.